Is it worth spending thousands of dollars every 2 years to keep up with interior design trends? The answer can not be obvious, so stick around until the end. What do these trends actually offer, and what are we paying for? I'm Mary Sheffran, an interior designer in New York, with 8-year-old experience creating eclectic, vibrant spaces for creative and pleasure-seeking individuals. Often you see only surface-level trends. But when you come across information about trendy colors, lines, furniture and styles that are deemed relevant in a given year, you might be uncertain about how and why you should incorporate them into your home. So let's talk about it. But what exactly trends are? Trends are how people respond to changes in the world and society. Trends show what people already use to become a part of a global transformation, to shield themselves from their impact, or to find support in that uncertain times. Trends reveal what is important to people and what excites them. For instance, the disco ball trend means the desire to relieve the safety of the past, or at least the idea of it. But let's not jump ahead just yet. Who creates these trends and how do they come about? These trends are identified and curated by trend agencies, such as Pantone Color Institute, VGSN, Global, and Fashion Snoops. Various industries, including paint manufacturers, fashion and beauty brands, textile producers, furniture manufacturers, and many more, rely on this information. But who benefits from it? The finished visuals we see are the culmination of extensive analysis of big data involving hundreds of thousands of people and constant monitoring of patterns and colors. James Cameron's left a profound impact on society. The film explores numerous significant themes that resonate with us even today. It showed a hyper-realistic virtual world where nature and humanity coexist harmoniously. As digital capabilities and artificial intelligence is developing, individuality becomes more valued and important. The things that set us apart from machines, such as emotions, family and cultural background, creativity, mental well-being, become strong trend. This concept of individuality finds expression in complex furniture, rugs, and art, incorporating techniques such as applique, collages, puzzles, and blocks. It's important to find or to create a safe, ideal haven for yourself, as a human psyche is dynamic and requires support. Your home can provide such support using leaf plans and sensual design. By sensual design, I mean using all 5 senses: pleasurable textures, lighting, colors, sounds, aromas, and sense of place. The interior environment also offers emotional support through cocoon-like furniture, specialized furniture for individuals with autism, and cozy and voluminous throw that evoke a feeling of a mother's embrace or being in the warmth. Additionally, interior design incorporating black and terracotta shades that can create a sense of peace and tranquility. The need to regain control of our lives is reflected in the trend of decluttering and organizing our homes. You can watch my video about that to save a year of your life and thousands of dollars. Smart home technology is another way to take control of your life. With features such as smart lighting, smart sockets, CCTV cameras, smoke and motion sensors, you can remotely manage your home. Whether it's using Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple Siri, these technologies allow you to control your environment, gather information, and simulate conversation. Furthermore, the pandemic and threat of nuclear disaster made people to overestimate their values and prioritize the future. Taking care of the future is achieved through such practices as separate waste collection, milling and compressing waste, and turning organic waste into compost. People are also saving energy by using solar panels, energy-efficient lamps, and temperature sensors. Additionally, there is a growing emphasis of eco-friendly finishing materials, natural or recycled. Incorporating interior trends into your home is a challenging thing. It requires experience and sophisticated aesthetic sense. Collaborating with an interior designer can reduce the risks and ensure the successful outcome. By introducing relevant decorative solutions into your home, you can save thousands of dollars on visits to a psychologist and create a home that provides intense sensory experiences and joy of living. If you need help of a professional interior designer, feel free to contact me to make your home relevant and up-to-date. You can find all the contacts in the description box below. What is the connection between cryptocurrency and interior trends? On one hand, cryptocurrency provides freedom of payment and investment. On the other hand, cryptocurrency became a part of this virtual world, as well as virtual friendship, virtual shopping, virtual dates. There are too abstract and non-physical. As a result, people seek the ways of solid and touchable ways to feel safe. One of such forms of grounding is found in the concept of family. The timeless family home in a traditional style becomes a way to return to cherished childhood. Incorporating elements such as children's art, layered textures, vintage items can create an atmosphere of comfort and familiarity. The desire to find an ideal haven is reflected in a return to historical roots. Using ethnic patterns, elements of one's culture, and preserving historical spaces add uniqueness to our homes. Incorporating traditional art, handmade textiles, culturally inspired color palettes, tableware, sculptures, historical artifacts work together to create a space that exudes a sense of timeless heritage. The global pandemic amplified the sense of disconnection as people faced helplessness and fragile nature of life. Losing their familiar events, entertainment, and communications, people re-evaluate their physical body and aging process. The notion of time and rebirth gained higher importance. That is why furniture and finishing materials are repaired and are used time after time. Items are patched up, vintage items are valued, and deliberate emphasis placed on material joints and natural materials. Nature remains the most dependable source of support for humanity. People seek solace in natural elements. Rough, unfinished materials, primitive forms, and natural colors of the materials. Terracotta, symbolizing grounding, takes on particular significance. The combination of hard and rough textures with soft, like wool, fur, boucle, animal print, fringe, bristle, and leather, creates a harmonious balance. Ornamentation is transmitted through the inherent beauty of the materials or hidden rhythmic patterns. Another form of response to global events is playful interior. Electric vehicles, private space shuttles, and flying cars are making the future closer than ever before. The development of virtual worlds and digital art has led to game-like interiors and fictional environments. Fictional worlds can be futuristic or inspired by images from social media and online games. The future also can be embodied in the interior design through desert landscape, hidden color lighting, and gradient of lilac and pink shades. The images of a spaceship and spacesuit are embodied in the interior in curved and puffed-up furniture. Metallic surfaces are associated with space rockets. Optical illusions and reflective surfaces with asymmetric shapes are also look relevant. Translucent and transparent materials add a sense of wonder and playfulness. The playful interior is close to the idea of childish. Humorous elements, childlike art, and playful furniture remind sometimes of a nursery. Art objects can be incorporated to create a whimsical atmosphere. The playful interior is a way to escape reality and take care of your inner child, raising a sense of creativity and joy, quiet and loud luxury. During the pandemic, the home has become a replacement of external entertainment, such as dining out, shopping, going to cinemas, visiting museums, etc. It has become a place to find vivid emotions, psychic energy, and new experiences all in one. In a world that has become increasingly abstract and intangible, the home offers the way to reconnect with materiality and sensual pleasures. This is reflected in home through appreciation of every moment of life, incorporating scents, music, tactilely attractive materials and textiles, and visually diverse decor. Natural materials like wood, stone, ceramic, and marble are given special attention for their inherent beauty. The pleasure of life is embodied through everyday luxury. Expensive and elegant tablecloth, dishes, towels, and bed linen are used not only for special occasions but on daily basis. Additionally, an emphasis of femininity and romanticism can be observed in gentle pink and purple shades, floral themes, wavy shapes, and soft, delicate materials. Abstract ornaments, floral motifs, and blurry designs contribute to the overall sense of romance. The desire for uniqueness and to have everything in one place has given rise in style maximalism. This approach treats interior as a precious box whose slogan is "the more the better." It includes an aesthetic of vibrant colors, an abundance of materials, patterns, styles, and layers. It combines new and old elements, mixing various styles together. The color palette are vibrant and complex. The space becomes a gallery of art, ceramics, sculptures, handicrafts, and textile. To my mind, all four groups of trends are different ways of escapism, from returning to the past, or root culture, luxury, or fictional worlds. It's up to you to choose aesthetics that resonate most with you. So, is it worth spending thousands of dollars every 2 years chasing interior design trends? In my opinion, design solutions are relevant when they are meaningful and feel full psychological purpose. I encourage you not to blindly follow interior design trends, but incorporate only what aligns with your values and personal tastes. That's all for today. Please share in the comments what trends you liked the most.